Hello there, Kate here from Aston Hearing. I'd like to introduce you to Mel Webster, my dad. We're in the same household, so we can be this close together. This is fine in our situation, but we're really concerned about listening with face masks. Dad wears a pair of Phonak Marvel hearing aids, and these work really well most of the time. But as soon as you introduce a face mask that covers the lips and distance as well, then there's a slight challenge. We've been looking at ways of working to help people hear better in these situations, particularly now that the government are insisting that face masks are worn in all medical settings. This is going to cause an awful lot of concern for people who have got complicated medical issues to deal with, and they need to hear really well and clearly. It's also a stress for the practitioners. I'd like to introduce Cassie, one of our clinicians, and ask her a few questions about how she feels about this. Hello, Cassie.
Hi, Kate. Yes, I'm really concerned about this issue. A lot of our patients who have got blocked ears can't hear very well anyway, so the added extra pressure of a face mask covering my mouth, being able to lip read, is quite...
It is a problem. So we've come up with a way of working with Chatable apps that has been designed to listening in background noise, but it also works really well as an instant remote microphone that's there in your pocket when you need it. Dad, could you demonstrate how you use Chatable apps, please?
Yes, so when I asked Cassie would she mind if I used my phone for her to talk into, because I could link it to my hearing aids and we can then have a conversation, which we'll try and do now.
Yes. Hello, Mr. Webster, how are you?
Fine, thank you. I heard that very well, by the way.
Okay. I'm just going to ask you a few questions, if that's okay.
Yeah.
So, have you had any pain in the last 30 days at all?
No, I haven't.
Okay.
No.
Have you ever had any operations or perforations on your ears?
I have had an operation for a cholesteatoma in my left ear about 5 years ago.
Brilliant. This demonstrates exactly how difficult it is to hear with the sort of mask that Cassie's wearing, and how easy it is to use the app, especially when it's linked to the hearing aids,
yes.
Bluetooth. The nice thing about the app versus remote mic is that it's always with you, charged up, ready to go. We feel it's important that we support our clients in using technology such as this, that they have on them, ready to use in any circumstance, wherever they are, really easily. How did you feel asking Cassie if you could use the app to communicate with her?
I just thought it was a sensible thing to do, and I couldn't see any problem with it, and I don't think Cassie had any difficulty
it was
with
a
that,
thumbs up for me.
because it helps the situation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's a very stressful situation for most people involved when you're trying to speak loudly with a mask on. It's quite exhausting for you too. So really, Chatable apps could be a great solution that's very, very affordable and in your pocket ready to go.